Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if it's not, thank you so much for coming back. I'm finally having the time to do my Decorate With Me video. Today I'm decorating my bedroom for spring, and I kept it a very neutral, very peaceful and relaxing. So grab a nice warm cup of tea, get cozy, and let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the decorations that I picked up for my bedroom. So this is my stash. I picked a few items for my bedroom. I'm gonna start working with these and go from there. I wanted to show you, if you watch my Easter haul, I bought some tablecloth and I made myself some cushion covers along with curtains. As you can see them, I put them up already. So these will be my curtain in my bedroom. I absolutely love this material. So like I said, these were tablecloth and I modified them to make some curtains for my bedroom, and this is what they look like over in my window. And if I move on to this side over here, I also made some for that window as well. So the first thing I'm going to start decorating will be my little bench by this window here. So I'm just going to go ahead and try some things and see how it's going to work out. Look at this beautiful piece. I got this at Winners. I just couldn't resist it. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to put this on my bench and see how it works out. If not, I might put it down by my ladder afterwards, but we'll see. I'm going to decorate my ladder. I have a few throws that I want to put on there. I have this cute decorative basket. I got this at the thrift store. I absolutely love it, so I'm going to use that. Now I'm going to decorate my 2 shelves. I got these beauties at Winners. They are so pretty. I bought multiple. They were pretty affordable too. If you've seen my haul, this bunny ear was broken and it was much more of a yellowish brownish tone. I didn't like the color, so I did it over, and you cannot tell that the little ear was broken. So I ended up keeping them. I got this beautiful candle holder at Winners, and I actually got 2. There is a smaller and a taller, and I absolutely love these, so I'm using these on the shelf. I got this beautiful pot at Walmart. It wasn't expensive at all, but I really like the tone of it. I thought it matched my decor perfectly, so I grabbed one of these. Now I'm going to decorate the top part of my cabinet. I like to have decoration on the top there just to fill it up a little bit. So I'm going to use a basket that I have on hand, and I'm just going to leave these piece of wood on it. I have these branches that I got at Walmart. I really, really love these, so I'm gonna add that to the basket. I have this beautiful tall birdhouse. I got this at Winners. And I have another set of these beauties. Now I'm going to decorate my nightstand. I have made these with shutters from the thrift store, and if you want to see how I created these tables, I will put the link in the description box so you can go and have a look. But all I'm doing here, I'm using one of my DIY as well. I will put the link in the description box for this as well. I use this a lot in my decors because I just absolutely love it. And I decided to use some of my natural plant into my bedroom, so I'm simply going to put that on top of my candle holder. I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set up my bed. Again, these cushions I have made with the tablecloth that I've purchased from Winners. So I'm going to use these. Maybe not the smallest one, but I'm using this one for sure. Well, that's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm already relaxing in my bedroom, as you can see. If you like this video, please give me the big thumbs up. This really helps me grow and my channel. And I want to know your comments down below. I want to know what you like. I want to know what you're thinking of my tablecloth that I used to make the curtains and the cushion for my bed. And also, if you like this video and you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel yet, well, right now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. So until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.